Running a trade business means juggling quotes, jobs, schedules, texts, materials, and invoices, and doing it fast enough to protect profit margins. Two of the strongest options in 2025 going into 2026 are SIMPRO and Tradify. Both will modernize your workflow, but they are built for different sizes and styles of operations. In 4 minutes, I'll show you what each does best, where they differ in real life, and how to pick the right one. To kick things off, what is SIMPRO? SIMPRO is an end-to-end field service and project management platform for growing to large trade companies. Think complex scheduling and dispatch, quoting, estimating, multi-stage projects, asset and maintenance contracts, inventory and supplier catalogues, also purchase orders, job costing, timesheets, and also change orders or variations, and business intelligence reporting. And when it comes on to integration, it integrates with Xero, QuickBooks, and major supplier price books. There's a powerful field app for technicians, and you can manage recurring maintenance and SLAs at scale. It's a full operational backbone. Expect a deeper setup and formal onboarding. While on the other hand, what is Tradify? Tradify is a job management built for small trade teams. Think electricians, plumbers, HVAC, and sparkies who need quick quotes, fast scheduling, time and materials, purchase orders, and invoice without enterprise complexity. The mobile app is simple: job cards, photos, timesheets, and quick updates from the van or site. It syncs cleanly with Xero and QuickBooks, so your admin stays tidy while the crew stays moving. Now, if we were to talk about real-world differences, we'll start off with SIMPRO. So, let's talk about project complexity. Use SIMPRO if your work looks like a true project management. Think multi-visit jobs, dependencies, cost codes, variations, and asset registers and maintenance contracts. While on the other hand, I would recommend you use Tradify if your day is mostly service calls, short installs, and small projects where speed beats bureaucracy. Now, if we were to talk about profit control, SIMPRO excels at budget versus actuals. So supplier price books, inventory, and back costing. It is great for tight margin control and multi-crew jobs, while Tradify nails time and materials, so invoice with minimal friction and clear job costing for small teams. And also, if we were to compare them via field versus office balance, SIMPRO gives office teams dispatch boards, gang-style views, approvals, and BI dashboards, while Tradify on the other hand keeps field techs happy with a fast, no-nonsense app you can learn in a morning. So if we were to compare them via client experience, SIMPRO supports maintenance plans, asset histories, portal-style comms, and formal change management. It is ideal for commercial clients, while Tradify keeps it practical, professional quotes and invoices, job reminders, and status updates, ideal for domestic work and light commercial. And if we were to talk about learning curve and rollout, with Tradify, it is the quickest to deploy. All you need to do is import customers, connect accounting, and start tomorrow. While with SIMPRO, on the other hand, it takes a bit of onboarding, but it is worth it if you need the power. But plan time for templates, catalogs, and processes. Now, when it comes on to pricing, both platforms offer trial periods or demos, as you can see right here. But with Tradify, as you can see, they more offer a straightforward pricing, which starts off at $47 and it can go up to $61 per month. While with SIMPRO, on the other hand, it all depends on the category you're in and also the type of add-ons you want. But SIMPRO will be a higher investment, reflecting enterprise features, onboarding, and advanced modules. And you should always compare software costs to rework avoided. Missed variations, poor scheduling, or stock errors can cost far more than the subscription. In conclusion, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you pick SIMPRO if you run multi-crew or multi-site operations with recurring maintenance, and you need asset management, service level agreements, and preventative maintenance scheduling, and you care about inventory control, supplier catalogues, price books, and margin protection, and you also want advanced reporting, approvals, and structured workflows for scale. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose Tradify if you do service work, maintenance, and short installations with mobile crews, and you need fast quoting, scheduling, time tracking, purchase orders, and invoicing, and you want a clean Xero or QuickBooks sync without heavy setup and prefer speed and simplicity over enterprise control. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.